Hey guys, Jay Davis here, General Manager at Butler Nissan in Macon, Georgia. I wanted to sing the praises of AutoStaff 360. We have had some hiring problems in the Middle Georgia area, not getting the qualified candidates that we need, that we thought would represent our business well and our product well. After several attempts on our own to get it done, we ended up reaching out to these guys, and the first thing I was most impressed with was the quality of the candidate they brought to the table. They made it difficult to make the selections from just the sheer pool of candidates they brought us. They were able to help us fill roles in our BDC department, our sales department, and our service advisors roles. So they did just a great job all the way around. I'd highly recommend them. Make sure they send Ken to see you. Thanks.